What is up guys, to another site. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an invoice in Zoho. So to create that, you need to first head over to invoice.zoho.eu, and after that, the first step is how do you want your invoice to look, and after choosing it, you need to upload the organization logo, and then you need to choose the background. Let's say I want the background as light blue, so I'll go with the color light blue, and this is the color I want in my background. So I'll just choose this color and then click on apply to apply it, and here as you can see, background color has been changed and this is the font color, so I'll just apply it as black, and when I'm done I'll click on save and proceed. After that, the next step is to how do we want to receive the payments. So you can choose it according to your vision requirements, like if you want cash you can go with cash, or online payment gateway is also available. So click on save and proceed again when you're done with this, and after that you need to make the most out of Zoho Invoice. So you can add here there are multiple features, you can add all of them, and when you're done click on start invoicing. After that you're good to go. Click on create invoice button to create your own person invoice, and after that the invoice page will open. From here you need to write the customer name, the invoice and the invoice date, and then when you are done you can click on save and send to the customer that you want to send the invoice to. So this is how you can create an invoice in Zoho Invoices. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.